Where's your younger brother?
He's outside coming back.
Huh? Find out. How young is he, or how old? Huh?
He's 17 and a half years old.
Huh?
17 and a half years old.
Very young is it? So have you betrothed him to somebody?
No.
Not yet. Is it difficult to distinguish between light and light, darkness and light? It's so easy. The message behind has a quality of purity about it. Hadith Nafs has no part to play in that. Human wishes and desires are left out. And Hadith Nafs or Hadith Shaitan has always that quality of humans' desires, rising up to the conscious mind and showing the person a dream. So the dreams are confused, they're without message, and they do not carry any signs which are fulfilled in future. So their falsehood is apparent. It's no problem at all. Assalamu alaikum. You are waiting outside?
Yes.
Okay. We have talked about you and your question, and also, with your forgiveness, your marriage.